This is Gospel Ogiagbe. So on this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money for just sharing your time, just taking a particular service of 20 minutes to 10 minutes, and you are going to be getting $4 constantly. It just depends on the survey you take. They have a survey of different amounts. Choose any type of survey you want to complete, take the surveys and make your money. So let me show you. The first thing you need to do is to come to Google Play Store and search for Ysense. Search for Ysense like this. This is Ysense, and search for it, and you'll find it. This is how it looks. This is the logo, and this is everything that you see that concerns Ysense. So once you have find the application, install it. You can find Ysense on the web too, or you can find the application. So I'm going to show you from the application. You can see how 500k download, and you can install it. I've already installed mine. So once you install Ysense, the next thing what you have to do is to register. To register is very simple. You can use the first link in the description to register on Ysense if you want, or you can just go to Google Play Store and install it. So once you have installed it, like I said, the registration is very simple. Enter your first name, last name, and your email, your Gmail account. That is what you need to enter. This is everything, all the details they require from you. Just see what they require from you for you to get your account created or registered. So as you can see here, you say sign up for free and start earning. You can see enter your email and your password, accept the terms and conditions, click on join now. That is only what you need. So once you do that, the Ysense will send you an email. You click on that email, then you have to click on the verification link and your account to be verified. Then you can start taking surveys. So let me show you around this application. It was through on the web that I showed you how you can register. I will open this. I will click on open. So I'm logging into my own account now. So the first thing is you can see here is the surveys that they have. You can see 16-minute survey, you will get paid $1. 9-minute surveys, you will get paid $1.65. 15-minute surveys, you will get paid $4, like I told you from the beginning of this video. And you see 16 minutes 75 cents. It keeps on going and so on and so on. So there is a bunch of opportunities here. So all you just need to do, come and participate on those surveys and you will get paid. So on the survey tab, if I click on discovering here, you will see offers that you can take right now and make money from. You can see how much you can make for completing all those tasks you can see here. So they have a lot of ways that you can use Ysense to make money. This just depends on you and how you want to use it to make money. So you just need to follow through, read carefully before you click or continue whatsoever you are doing on Ysense, so that you can understand what they are asking you from. So that is it. And if I click on this playtime reward, if I click on the playtime reward here too, you can see that it's a playtime reward, endpoint with playtime by trying new games, and longer you play, the more you earn. So you can, if I click on play and earn, it will take me to applications that I can download, and I will make money while I download those applications and start playing them on my smartphone. So that is how it works. I'll click on times for the purpose of this video, and it will take us back here. So another way you can make money too with this application, if I click on this three icon here, it will bring us here. You will see a section where it says refer and earn. If I click on the refer and earn session, you will find out on this session that you can earn 30% recurring commission of anyone you refer to this program. Let me say you refer anyone to this website, which is Ysense. Anybody that signs up, start using this website to take surveys, they complete the minimum amount of cash in and they cash out money, you are going to be making passive money. So you can see that signing, if they sign up, you are going to be making money. If they complete any activities, you are going to be making 20% commission. So you keep on making money in everything that they do on this website, which is Ysense. So that is how the multiple ways that you can use to make money with this website, which is called Ysense. And if I click on this icon here too, you can click on the affiliate program. It's just the same thing like what I just said, that you can use to make money with this website. So that is it. So when I click on this session, if you see blog, when I click on blog here, on the blogging session, you'll find multiple ways that you can use to make money with this website. The blog that they are written about, the strategy that you can use to make money with this website, which is called Ysense. If we go back again to this session, you can go through and see the cash out method, so how you can receive your money. If I click on cash out now, it's going to open this tab that you can see here. You can see that you can cash out your money with Payoneer, PayPal, reward link, and stream and Steam. So that is the six payment method that is available available in my own country right now. In your own country, it might look different. So if I click on PayPal right now, you can see that I can cash out up to $250 by just using this website. So that is it, guys. So what you need to do right now is to start taking survey with this website and start making free money by just answering a very simple question. So I don't know what you are waiting for. You can go and try this out and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. So I'm going to end this video from here, and if there is anything I didn't cover on this video, all you just need to do is to let me to know about this in the comment section. And if we go back to the home page here, which is the survey section, you can find out that you can make money with this application in multiple ways. So if I click on discoveries here, it will show you multiple options, multiple ways. Here you can see Ysense offers, you can see one ads, you can see Revu, you can see offer to row, you can see a lot of things, AdSense, you can see Planet Lab, you can see Ad Gems, you can see a lot of companies here that you can find at the top. If you can find them, if you look at it very well, you find them at the top here. So those are websites that you can complete right now and make money from. So that is everything I need to talk about on this website. So that is it. I still talk about how you can click on the playtime here, how you can earn money by just playing games. So that is how this application works. I hope that this video helped those of you who want to make some free cash online. So I'm going to end it from here. And if you like it, all I ask in return is just for you to like my video, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you on my next video. If you want to make money with crypto, you can watch the first video. If you want to make money with affiliate, you can watch the second video if you want to increase how you can make money online. Thank you and see you soon.